passed away too soon and too young a few years ago. When I was a younger fellow, we had 3 FJs, a 1968, my 1972 with a 350 and a 3-speed trans, and this 1978. The 78 was by far the cleanest of the 3 and is the only one that remains in the family. It sat since the mid-90s at his place on the Grand Mesa as one of those things we would get to when time allowed. It never quite allowed. Feeling some pangs of regret for not making the time to get it done, I started on it in October of 2023. I tried capturing some videos with the intent of making a YouTube channel, but ended up with a heck of a lot more photos.
1978 FJ40. Been sitting for probably 20 years. Take 20 years to clean this thing out. Wasps. Nice, at least. Much condo. Little vacuuming. Got a dust bag. Alright, got some progress here. A good chunk of the rat poop is cleaned out. Seats are out, one seat is out, so gotta deal with those guys. And get the rest of the stuff cleaned out. Much better than it was.